Welcome to episode 12, Review, Tools, and Practical Templates. This final lesson is a working reference for choosing concepts, tools, prompts, checks, and workflows without losing sight of the real task. We have reached the final episode of the 12-part journey. We will synthesize the course and convert its ideas into practical next actions. Use this episode as a reference. Understand the concept, select what fits the task, apply it to real work, and continue through controlled learning. You do not need to memorize every term or tool. Artificial intelligence is the broad field of machines performing human-like understanding or decision support. Machine learning develops patterns from data. Deep learning uses layered neural networks for complex patterns. These are nested concepts, not required workflow steps. A large language model processes and generates language. A generative pre-trained transformer is one architecture used for modern language models. ChatGPT is a product interface using such models. The terms are related but not interchangeable. Prompt vocabulary separates purpose, context, output format, and constraints. A prompt states the request, context supplies background, output defines the required form, and constraints define limits or rules. Role prompting assigns a useful perspective. Zero-shot prompting provides no examples, few-shot prompting provides examples that demonstrate the desired pattern. Choose the method that reduces uncertainty for the task. Data is the source information, training develops patterns from examples and feedback, inference uses the trained model to produce an answer, fine-tuning adjusts a model for a narrower purpose, and context window limits what can be considered at one time. Multimodal systems work with more than one information type. Text-to-image creates images from language, speech-to-text transcribes audio, text-to-speech produces spoken audio, and image understanding interprets visual material. The model should fit the material being processed. Automation runs predefined actions, no-code tools build workflows without traditional programming, low-code tools use limited custom code, APIs connect systems, and triggers start automated actions. Automation requires testing, permissions, error handling, and control. Business terms distinguish a recurring prompt, a documented procedure, software delivered as a service, a business integration, and return on investment. Use these terms to clarify decisions rather than decorate proposals. Risk and quality terms include hallucination, bias, fact-checking, privacy, and human review. Fluent output is not proof. Responsibility remains with the person who uses the result. Start with the task, not the tool name. Tool first thinking searches for a place to use a fashionable product. Task first thinking states the need and then selects the smallest suitable capability. Listening and reading tools support meetings, lectures, documents, podcasts, and scanned files. Choose them when the source material must first be captured or understood. Writing and translation tools support emails, product copy, social content, and multilingual communication. Human review preserves facts, tone, and cultural suitability. Research and analysis tools search, compare, summarize, and analyze. Current facts, prices, laws, and product details still require verification from appropriate sources. Media and presentation tools create images, slides, video, and audio. Rights, product truth, pronunciation, timing, and final playback remain human checks. Management and automation tools support calendars, customer work, data, and workflows. Do not automate a process that has no owner, review point, or recovery plan. Before choosing a tool, ask what must be completed, who will use the result, what source material is available, which privacy or rights rules apply, and whether the task repeats or requires expertise. Features, usage limits, prices, privacy practices, and edit restrictions can change. Verify current information before committing data, time, or money. This recommendation prompt asks for current tools based on a defined task, operating system, privacy conditions, and budget. It requests official verification and a practical comparison rather than a list of popular names. This coordination prompt defines an efficient workflow across several tools while identifying input, output, conversion, file format, handoff, and responsibility. A workflow should describe the handoffs between tools. This safe automation prompt begins with one repeated task and asks for a controlled process using suitable tools or a simple script. It requires permissions, error handling, rollback, and a person responsible for approval. Before writing a major prompt, collect the purpose, audience, materials, output, and conditions. Preparation makes important assumptions visible. The reusable prompt builder template combines those details into natural language: purpose, audience, context, sources, output, format, limits, and verification. Adapt it rather than filling every field mechanically. Use the prompt quality check to confirm role, source facts, audience, format, and restrictions. A prompt can be complete in structure while still requiring revision after the first result. Use the output quality check to verify facts, fit, format, risks, and approval authority. Review the deliverable separately from the prompt that created it. Create an explicit handoff summary containing purpose, confirmed standards, decisions, files, revisions, unresolved issues, and the next task. Do not rely on memory for important continuity. This reusable handoff request organizes the work into an operating record and separates confirmed principles from items still under review. Inspect the summary before relying on it. Practice explaining one term through real work. Define what it means, provide a practical example, identify when it is useful, and state what misunderstanding should be prevented. Map one real task to a tool category by describing the work, source material, required result, privacy or rights concerns, and the person who reviews it. Select a specific product only after the category is clear. Design a reusable workflow by defining the input, AI-supported work, human review, output, and next task record. A workflow becomes reusable when the handoffs and controls are explicit. The course can be summarized in 4 habits: understand the task, communicate clear standards, apply AI to real work, and organize recurring work under review and responsibility. Your next actions are practical: choose one real task, apply one useful standard, verify the result, save a reusable prompt or workflow, and begin one controlled role only when work repeats. Use the final readiness check. Explain AI simply, prompt with context and standards, verify facts and approval, protect sensitive information, and map recurring work to a controlled role. Use AI to make real work clearer, faster, and more controllable. Choose a meaningful task, explain the standards, review before use, and build a repeatable system only when it adds value. Thank you for completing the course. The QR code opens the optional English Companion Guide.